Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you guys are pretty fine, doing very well. So back again with an outstanding and the most demanding collection of floral printed and block printed skater dress designs ideas that are trending in fashion. So there are a lot of beautiful designs, there are a lot of beautiful dresses that are trending in fashion, highly running in fashion. So I just thought to bring this collection for you guys so you may have an idea about the new designs and new ideas. So this is a very beautiful collection for casual wear, and these are dresses for spring summer season. So if you're looking for spring summer dresses, so this video is going to be very helpful for you, very useful for you. All you have to do is just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. If you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you are loving these beautiful designs of skirt dresses, so please do like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. Please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video.